Hey y'all, today we are going to make a flaming layered drink shot called the Flaming Avalanche. We're going to be using Bailey's, whiskey, and grain alcohol. You're going to need a shot glass and a mixing spoon. We're going to put the Bailey's in first because it's the heaviest. This drink, any layered drink, revolves around density of the alcohol. So you're going to put the heaviest in first, which is our Bailey's. Then we're going to use our spoon, place it in, and slowly pour in our whiskey so the layers turn out pretty. You want to use equal parts. And then we want to use the spoon again and put our grain alcohol on top because that's what's going to burn. Slowly once again. And then, for the fun part, we're going to light it on fire. We're going to take our match, stroke, and that is a flaming avalanche.